it's your girl Alexis Makai. If you want to see how I achieved this look, make sure you guys keep watching for more videos. I love this hair. The links to this hair will be in the description box below. Make sure you check out this company. I love working with them. This is my second time working with them and they never disappoint me. This hair is a 8.5 out of 10. Well, really, yeah, 8.5 out of 10. Only reason why I said that, if you watch the video you will find out. So yeah, thank you guys so much. What's up guys? So this company Worldnewhair is sending me this hair. Super cute packaging, super cute packaging. They gave me a cute little pin. They gave me their business card. This to go in the back to stop the way from sliding back. And then a cute headband. No, can't never go wrong with a headband. They also gave me, a wig cap and the wig details. And they also gave me a scarf. So this wig is beautiful. It's a 26-inch wig. The specs will be in the description box below. So I love this lace. Super cute, but the knots were extremely hard to bleach, and which caused me to have a lot of over bleaching. Like the knots, I had to bleach this twice in order to just remove some of the knots. And as you can see, them little dark spots, you still can see like some of the knots. But hopefully it disappears after I put the cap on, like the cap that they sent me. Yeah, cause look how dark that is. Yeah, just work on that. Other than that, has the clamps, the stuff right here is very spacious to fit my big old head. And yeah. Okay guys, so I'm going ghost bun. And apply it to the area. So guys, we're gonna let that dry. But really let it dry. Like, I'm gonna get started on my makeup while that's drying. So guys, I look crazy right now, but now since it's clear, we're going to slide this down. Just place it into the cap exactly how you want it. So I'm gonna just place it down. Don't worry about the over bleaching because like we got that covered. Okay, so now I'm gonna pull this down, but not too far down, but like right above the cap. This side needs a little more plucking because that look like a wig. They could have did way better on the lace. I'm not even gonna cap. The lace is not giving, but luckily I'm just cold at what I do. Stilettos, pumps, and door clothes. So this is super cute in style, looking very much melted. So guys, these scissors are terrible. So I'm gonna go in and just I look super good. Okay guys, so now it's time to get started on the baby hairs. So I love curly hair, because on curly hair I can do the dramatic baby hairs and get away with it. So I'm just going apart and then going apart a roll of baby hair. This hair is some good hair. And then I'm going to pull it down. I'm going to just pluck backwards. See, look how good they look. So I just showed them how I do my baby hairs.